Okay, today we are here to demonstrate the product. It's a digital magnetic gauge come transmitter come controller. So it's a basically in this instrument you have a three function. One is digital indication of differential pressure with two switching output, two relay potential free switching output, and third one will be the analog output which you can program for the 420 milliampere or 0 to 10 volt output, and for the switching output also a configurable set point and the reset point. So you can put the what do you need a set point, what is the hysteresis. So we will demonstrate all the function here right now today. So this is, you can see our pressure generator by which we have generated the pressure. So you can see reading here 6.67 millibar, which is 6.7 millibar because it's a two digital display. It's basically a 4 digit display of the instrument. So we start the instruments. So now you can see we can convert 3 units in this device. One is kilopascal, millibar, inch WC, as well as we have a 2 indication of set point 1 and set point 2. So it will both the indication. From the back side you can see the instrument here. This is the positive pressure, this is the negative pressure. So you can have a P1 and P2, and you will have a power supply 24 volt AC and DC. Then analog output is here. Then you will have a 2 potential free relay contact output. So 2 contact output, 1 analog output, 24 volt DC and AC power supply, and this. And also we will provide here, if some customer need a 230 volt AC power supply, so we will provide the adapter in this device. And you can see here the process connection for the devices. Now we start the demonstration here. So first is this product is work on the programming is push and rotate technology. So first we have to push it. First function is push. So we will push it. Yeah, push it. Offset means to do the 0 point calibration. So if you need the 0 point calibration, you can put the offset. Then now we go to the first point is set point 1. So we can, if you will push here, you can change the set point. Now we will change the set point is 5.5 millibar. So we can change it 5.5 millibar. This is the save now. You can see set point 1 is changed. Now stress is 1. So stress is 1, you whatever we have put the 1 millibar, you can make 0.5 millibar, then you can make 0.5 millibar. So it is 0.5 millibar, push and set. Now similar in set point 2. So it's a set point 2, you can change it if you need it, and otherwise you will push it. Set point 2, similar stress is 2. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you don't want to change it, you cannot change. So we would like to change it, we change it, save. Third point is output. So you will push 420 or 0 to 10 volt. So if you need a 420, you 420. Just push and save. Third one is AEP. AEP means end range. What you can program the end range, but generally you can adjust the range also by feeding the actual pressure range. So we don't need it. Damping. So if you want to adjust if the pressure is fluctuation, you can adjust the damping time here. Save. Function means you can program it as a linear output or square root output. Linear output for the differential pressure measurement, square root output is for the airflow measurement. So you can go here, function, linear and square root. So we need a linear, that's all. This is the KL. KL means K factor of the pitot tube, so we don't need it for the differential pressure, otherwise we can program. RHO means density of the medium, we can program it. H1 means whatever the high pressure is goes, low pressure is goes. Display, if you can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the brightness of the display. If you want to change it, we change it like this. Save. So brightness of the display is here. Then unit, you can change the unit also. If you want to see in inch WC, you can change it inch WC. You want to see in a millibar, you can see. You want to see in kilopascal, you can see. Save. Operating hours, how many hours this instrument is working. So it's a timer inbuilt. Password, if you want to give the password, do not want to give, so you can set the password also. It's a firmware version, it's a programming version. This is the end. So programming has finished. Now you can see in kilopascal is 0.70 kilopascals here. So now we would like to put in it here. So here we will change it in kilopascal. So it's a kilopascal same 0.643, and now we can change the pressure. So it will increase now. So now it's a set point is 0.8. So we will go to the, now you can see set point 2 is activated. Now we will reset. You know the hysteresis is 10 pascals. So you can see we go to the less than 0.75 kilopascal. Here is the goal. Now we will go to the again set point 1. Now set point 1 is gone. So this is the thing. So now we will, this is all about the instrument. Is our digital differential pressure sensor from the BAIC journey. So you can ask and put us any technical query on the mail ID is sales@partsvtechnology.com. So we are ready to give you the complete information on BAIC product. Kindly put and send your request on sales@partsvtechnology.com. Okay, bye bye.